Are you looking for a powerful diagnostic tool that gives dealership-level control without breaking the bank? Today, I'm reviewing the Autel MaxiPRO MP808K, a scanner that promises speed, accuracy, and performance for both DIYers and professional mechanics. Let's see if it really delivers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you work on cars or run a small repair shop, you know how important a reliable scan tool is. I've been using the Autel MaxiPRO MP808K for a while now, and in this video, I'll share my real experience, what I love about it, what I don't, and whether it's worth your money.
What is it? The MP808K is part of Autel's professional lineup. It's basically the upgraded version of the MP808, but with more adapters, meaning it supports older OBD1 vehicles too. It runs on Android OS, comes with a fast quad-core processor, and feels solid in the hand, just like a tablet built for the workshop. Key features. Here are the standout features. Full system diagnostics, not just engine codes, but ABS, airbag, transmission, and body modules. 30-plus service functions like oil reset, EPB, DPF regen, injector coating, TPMS reset, and more. Wide vehicle coverage, over 80 brands including Asian, European, and American cars, and, of course, automatic VIN detection and data logging for accurate reports. How to use. Using it is super simple. Just connect the OBD cable, turn on the ignition, and the scanner automatically reads the VIN. From there, you can run a full system scan or go module by module. The touch interface is smooth, and the layout is clean, perfect for quick diagnostics in a busy garage. Unboxing and what's inside. In the box, you get the MP808K tablet, the main OBD2 cable, 11 extra OBD1 adapters, a sturdy carrying case, and a power adapter. Everything fits neatly inside, ready to go right out of the box. Pros and cons. Pros: professional-grade functions at a mid-range price, fast and stable performance, excellent compatibility with both old and new vehicles, clear live data and graphing tools. Cons: no wireless connection. It uses a cable only. Annual software update costs after the first year, and a slightly bulky carrying case. Price and value. The Autel MaxiPRO MP808K usually sells around $700 to $800, depending on the region. Considering its diagnostic power and included adapters, it's honestly one of the best deals in its class. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a professional tool without spending thousands, the Autel MP808K hits that perfect balance between price and performance. It's reliable, accurate, and a real time saver in any workshop. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest mechanic reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.